How to change a custom ringtone on Messenger. Keep watching to learn how. Hey everyone, it's me Teresa. Welcome back to this channel. I love to share tutorials that I learned online to help you learn and gain. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon and let's learn together. This video guys is requested by Mr. Deo, one of our viewers. Sabi niya pwede po paturo kung paano maglagay ng custom notifications. So note guys that these steps may varies depending sa mobile natin. Follow the steps and makikita niyo dyan. If you have questions, you can comment down below. Okay? So, the first thing you wanna do guys is to download music kung wala pa kayong na-download na music sa inyong phone. Pero kung meron na, mas madali na lang yung pagpalit natin ng ringtone sa ating messenger. Pero kung wala pa, ang ginawa ko guys is pumunta ako ng Chrome, then search for YouTube Converter. Ayan. And ito yung ginamit ko guys. Ito yung number 2 sa search niya. Ayan. Makikita nyo dyan, search or paste YouTube link here. Pumunta kayo ng YouTube. Then, mag-search kayo ng favorite music nyo. Let's search for Treat You Better. Treat You Better. And hanapin nyo dyan yung eto. Treat You Better. Okay. And then, click niyo yung search. Copy link. Then, balik kayo doon sa converter. Paste it here. Then, get link MP3. May choices dyan. So, ang pipiliin natin yung pinakamaliit na MB. Get link. Then, download. Okay, downloading file. Antayin lang natin siyang ma-download. Okay. So, ayan na guys. Download complete. Next guys is to go to File Manager or Music. Punta tayo ng Music. Punta kayo guys ng Music dyan sa phone nyo. And My Music. Hanapin nyo dito yung dinownload kanina. Ayan, Treat You Better. I-select nyo siya. Go to Share. Ito makikita nyo siya, copy. Okay? Let's click on that. And then, dito kayo mariredirect. Hanapin nyo yung ringtone. Ayan yung ringtone niya. Click on that. And then, i-paste nyo siya dyan. Dito sa baba, makikita nyo yung paste, cancel, and more. Click nyo yan. Ayan. Naka-paste na yung Treat You Better. Okay? And then, let's go back. Next step is, punta na tayo ng Messenger. Ito yung ginagamit ko kapag may tutorial ako sa Facebook or Messenger na account. Kaya wala siyang message. Minessage ko yung sarili ko. Sino bang gumagawa niyan sa sarili nila? Okay. Nandito na tayo sa Messenger and click natin yung profile icon natin. And then go to Notification and Sounds. So, makikita nyo dito under Notification and Sounds, itong on, ringtone, customize notification. Ayan. Click natin tong ringtone. And hanapin natin yung dinownload natin kanina or pinaste natin dito sa mga ringtones. Okay? Ito yung mga pre-installed na sa ating phone. Hahanapin natin yung pinaste natin dito. Scroll down. Ito siya guys. Meron ako ditong pinaste na isa. It's a Great Day and Treat You Better. So, pipiliin nyo na lang kung alin yung gusto nyong music na gamitin. Okay? I want this, It's a Great Day. Click on that. Okay? And then, let's go back. So, try natin tawagan. Tatawag ako dito sa Messenger na to gamit yung original account ko. Kung yung ringtone niya is napalitan na ba. Okay?
I can hear the children playing outside. Someone whistling as they pass by.
So, ayan guys, gumana yung custom notification na nilagay natin or custom ringtone na nilagay natin. Itong customized notifications, mako-customize mo siya sa chat. Ito, under chats, ito yung sounds kapag clinic mo yan. So, dito ka makapagpapalit ng chat notification or chat tone. Okay? Again, itong customize, okay, again, go to notification and sounds, customize notification. So, dito mapapalitan mo yung customize chat tone lang, okay? Ito, go to sound. If you click on that, mapupunta kayo dito. Choose local ringtone. And then, ito yung bubungad sa inyo kapag inopen mo yung file manager or yung music. Andito lahat yung naka-download ni music na dinownload nyo or yung mga pre-installed ng ringtone sa phone nyo. So, pipili na lang kayo dyan kung ano yung gusto nyong ringtone para sa chat nyo. Okay? And if you want to change ringtone of your phone, you can go to settings and go to notification or sound and vibration. And dito nyo mo mapapalitan. Sa bandang ito sa ringtone, notification, ringtone, and alarm. Dito mo siya mapapalitan sa ringtone. If you click on that, dito kayo ma-redirect and makapagpapamili na kayo ng ringtone na gusto nyo. If you want this treat you better or it's a great day, treat you better, click on that. Dito sa pinakababa, click OK. And hanapin niyo yung treat you better, click on apply. And click OK again. And let's see. Ayan, napalitan na siya. Okay? Hindi ko siya matesting guys kasi hindi ako nag-load for a month. Kaya hindi ako natatawagan. Ganito siya dito. Kapag hindi ka nag-load ng month or 15 days like that, after your load expired or your recharge expired, hindi ka matatawagan. Ayan. So, hindi ko siya matitesting. Okay? You try to your phone and then try to call from another contact and tingnan nyo kung mag-work. Okay? So, yeah, Mr. Deo, I hope this video helped you kung paano magpalit ng custom ringtone. And if you have any more questions, you can comment down below, guys. Medyo nalilate ako mag-reply sa inyo, pero ina-answer ko naman siya kapag hindi ako busy. Okay? So, yan guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope na nagustuhan niyo yung video na to and may natutunan kayo sa tutorial na to. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to give a like, share it to your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Click the bell icon to get you updated on my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day and God bless everyone.